Hello and welcome to the session. Today I'll help you with the following question. The question says, which of the following are in inverse proportion? Let's discuss the key idea for this question. It says, two quantities x and y are said to be in inverse proportion if an increase in x causes a proportional decrease in y and vice versa, in such a manner that the product of their corresponding values remains constant. This is the key idea for this question. Let's move on to the solution. The first statement given to us says the number of workers in a job and the time taken to complete the job. We have to check if it's in inverse proportion or not. Here we have number of workers as one quantity and the time taken as the second quantity. Clearly you can see the more the number of workers to complete the job, less the number of days or time taken to complete the job. So we say more the workers, the lesser is the time taken. Hence you see in this case one quantity increases and the other decreases. So according to the key idea we say that it is in inverse proportion. The second statement is the time taken for a journey and the distance travelled in a uniform speed. The two quantities here are the time and the distance travelled. So if the distance is more, the time taken to cover that distance will also be more. Thus we say, more the distance, more will be the time taken. One quantity increases and the other also increases. But for the two quantities to be in inverse proportion, one increases and the other decreases. Hence, it is not in inverse proportion. The third statement is area of cultivated land and the crop harvested. In this case, the two quantities are area of cultivated land and the crop harvested. Clearly, the more the land, the more will be the crop harvested. So we say, more the area, more will be the crop harvested. Thus in this case, if one quantity increases, the other also increases. In the same way, if one quantity decreases, the other also decreases. So according to the key idea, we say that it is not in inverse proportion. The next statement is the time taken for a fixed journey and the speed of the vehicle. Here the two quantities are the time and the speed. We know that if the vehicle moves faster, it will take less time. So as the speed increases, the time decreases. Thus, here we have if one quantity increases, the other decreases, and if one quantity decreases, the other increases. Hence, according to the key idea, we say that it is in inverse proportion. The last statement says the population of a country and the area of land per person. In this case, the two quantities are the population and the area. So if the population increases, the area of land per person decreases, and if the population decreases, the area available will be more. So we say if one quantity increases, the other decreases. Thus, according to the key idea, we say that it is in inverse proportion. So our final answer is first part, fourth part, and the fifth part. So hope you enjoyed the session. Have a good day.